Every dream has its time. This is the story of one that waited.
Come closer. Tonight, I'll tell you a story. Not of magic lamps or flying heroes,
But of a dream that waited patiently for its time. This is a story about courage and how it's never too late to begin.
Once, there was a young girl who believed happiness could be created with lights, colors, music, and moments that made people smile. She dreamed of managing events, of turning ordinary days into unforgettable memories.
But life has its own plans. She became a wife, a mother, and slowly her dream was packed away. Dreams grow quiet when responsibilities speak at night. While the world celebrated, she watched from a distance.
Her hands were busy with duty, but her heart still remembered what it loved. In his final days, her husband finally saw what he had overlooked for years. He held her hand and gave her the one thing she had never asked for.
Permission.
permission to live her dream.
When she felt lost, her daughter became her strength. They reminded her, dreams don't belong to an age. Her daughter walked a familiar road. Talented, hardworking, yet unseen. She gave her everything while someone else took the credit.
The daughter remembered a story from her childhood about a woman who didn't wait for the perfect moment. She created it. And suddenly, the story no longer felt imaginary. It felt, possible.
That night, 2 generations sat together, not as mother and daughter, but as partners.
They didn't promise an easy journey. They promised each other.
And then, without realizing it, the mother stepped back into her dream. With calm hands
and quiet confidence, she transformed chaos into beauty. And people noticed. There were rejections, doubts, sleepless nights, but there was also belief and each other.
But also first successes, first smiles,
and the belief that they were building something real, together.
They didn't just build a company, they built a legacy.
And that woman didn't win because she was fearless. She won because she didn't give up.
Dreams don't expire. They wait for courage.